Imagine a festival where the sky turns into a canvas of colors, strangers become friends, and joy knows no boundaries. What if I told you that this ancient festival is not just about color play, but a celebration of love, unity, and triumph of good over evil? Welcome to the Hope Web TV, your destination for celebrating culture, traditions, and joy. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey into one of India's most exhilarating, vibrant, and unifying festivals, Holi. From its mystical legends to electrifying celebrations, from age-old rituals to modern twists, we uncover the real magic behind Holi. But wait, did you know Holi isn't just celebrated in India, but has taken over the world in unique ways? Stay with us as we explore the history, rituals, regional variations, global reach, and eco-friendly ways to celebrate Holi in a way you've never seen before. Ready to dive into this kaleidoscope of colors and culture? Let's get started. Holi is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and has several historical legends associated with its celebration. The two most famous stories that define Holi's significance are the victory of good over evil, represented by the legend of Holika Dahan, and the playful love between Radha and Krishna. The first story revolves around the demon king Hiranyakashipu, who was so powerful that he demanded everyone worship him. However, his son Prahlad remained devoted to Lord Vishnu, much to his father's fury. In a fit of rage, Hiranyakashipu ordered his sister Holika, who had received a boon that made her immune to fire, to burn Prahlad alive. But destiny had other plans. When Holika sat in the fire with Prahlad in her lap, the flames consumed her while Prahlad emerged unscathed. This miraculous event symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and is commemorated through Holika Dahan, a bonfire lit on the night before Holi. As communities gather around these bonfires, they sing and dance, engaging in prayers that symbolize the destruction of negativity and the arrival of new beginnings. The second story is a beautiful tale of love, depicting the playful relationship between Lord Krishna and Radha. Krishna, known for his mischievous nature, once smeared colors on Radha's face, which initiated the tradition of color play during Holi. The celebration is particularly vibrant in places like Mathura and Vrindavan, where the atmosphere is filled with joy and devotion. In Barsana and Nandgaon, men and women engage in a playful battle known as Lathmar Holi, where women humorously hit men with sticks, adding a layer of fun and camaraderie to the festivities. The celebration continues with Phulon Ki Holi, where flowers are used instead of colors, creating a picturesque and fragrant experience. These legends reflect devotion, love, and the joy of togetherness, the core essence of Holi. As we transition into the ways Holi is celebrated across India, we find that the rituals and customs are as diverse as the country itself. The night before Holi, families and communities come together for Holika Dahan. Large bonfires are lit, symbolizing the destruction of evil, while people gather around, sharing stories and songs. The atmosphere is filled with warmth as laughter and joy resonate in the air, creating a sense of unity among participants. The main day of Holi, known as Rangwali Holi, transforms the streets into a vibrant spectacle. People of all ages come together to play with gulal, the colored powders that are a hallmark of the festivities. Water balloons and pitchkaris, or water guns, add to the excitement as everyone engages in playful splashes of color. The sound of laughter is accompanied by traditional music and folk dances, creating a lively and joyous environment. No Holi celebration is complete without indulging in delicious festive sweets like gujia, malpua, dahi vada, and thandai, sometimes infused with bang for an extra kick of festivity. As we explore the regional variations of Holi, we discover that each state in India has its unique way of celebrating this vibrant festival. In Barsana and Nandgaon, the playful Lathmar Holi takes center stage, while in Vrindavan, Phulon Ki Holi is celebrated with flowers at the Banke Bihari temple, creating a serene and beautiful atmosphere. In West Bengal, Shantiniketan Holi is marked by cultural programs featuring poetry and folk music, showcasing the artistic side of this vibrant festival. In Punjab, Hola Mohalla combines the spirit of Holi with martial arts, as Sikh warriors engage in displays of strength and skill, celebrating the festival with a sense of valor. In Uttarakhand, Holi Holi is characterized by folk songs and cultural processions that highlight the local traditions and community spirit. Holi showcases India's rich diversity and unity in the most colorful way. As we move beyond India's borders, we see that Holi has gained global popularity. Celebrations can now be found in the USA, UK, Australia, Nepal, South Africa, and many other countries. These events often feature color runs, music festivals, and cultural gatherings that bring people together to celebrate the spirit of Holi, transcending geographical boundaries. As we embrace the joy of Holi, it is also essential to consider eco-friendly ways to celebrate. The use of natural organic colors made from flowers and herbs is encouraged to minimize the impact on the environment. Avoiding plastic water balloons helps reduce waste, and in drought-prone areas, celebrating with dry Holi can be a responsible choice. Additionally, being respectful while playing Holi ensures that everyone can enjoy the festival in a spirit of camaraderie and joy. Let's keep Holi joyful, responsible, and eco-conscious. Holi is more than just a festival. It's a celebration of life, love, and togetherness. As we conclude this exploration of Holi, we invite you to share your own experiences and traditions in the comments below. How do you celebrate Holi? If you love Holi, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family to spread the joy of this colorful festival. Don't forget to subscribe to The Hope Web TV for more cultural and spiritual videos that celebrate the richness of our diverse world. Wishing you a happy and colorful Holi 2025. Let's continue to celebrate the spirit of unity and love that Holi represents, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey, and we hope to see you in our next video.